Good morning, students. Today I am continuing here chapter 2 and the topic is MySQL functions. So today I am covering here string functions in MySQL. So what do you understand why function? A function is a special type of predefined command that performs some operations and return a single value. So there are the different category of functions, and the first category of function is a string function, and here the first function is a char. So this function will return the character value of a numeric value, and this numeric value is called the ASCII code of a character. Let's take an example. Select char 70, 65, 67 and 69. So the value of 70 is F and the value of A is 65, value of C is 67 and the value of E is 69. These are called the ASCII value. So ASCII value, the capital alphabetical is start from capital A, that is start from 65, capital B 66 and so on. So the last capital Z, the value will be 90, and the small letters ASCII value will start from 97. So the small value of A is 97, small b is 98 and so on. So the last character, the value of small z is 122. So here we are getting the answer face because the value of 70 is of F, 65 is A, 67 is C and 69 is E. Or suppose we are giving any value in decimal, so this will take only a integer values. So we are giving here char 65, 67.3 and 69.3 in a single quote. So the answer is ACE. This will take only the integer value from a string value, and all the value automatically will be converted in the char function in integer. The next function is concat. So this is used to returns the concatenation of two columns or more than two columns. So we can add a two string here. Let's take an example. Suppose there is the two column name and aggregate in a table student. So here select concat name comma aggregate, and the heading of that will be name marks. So here this is display the result name and aggregate whose age is equal to 14 or equal to 16. Now the next function is lowercase. So lowercase function or L, lower and L case, this function returns the small letters value of a given string. Just see an example. Select lower Mr. Omawa as so select lower Mr. Obama as lowercase 1 and Mrs. Gandhi as lowercase 2. So the value of this will be converted into lower letters, and you can see the example is here. We can also use the L case in place of lower. And now the next function is a substring. So substring is a function which is used to extract a string from a string, and this we require the starting position and number of characters. So the syntax of substr is first is a string, second is starting position, and third one is number of character. Let's take an example from here. Select substr ABCDEFG and the starting position of this is 3, and we required 4 character from this string. So the answer is DEFG. First character will be start in a string and the position of that is 1. or if we are giving a starting position from a negative value, so this will be start the numbers from right hand side. So G will be 1, 2, 2 will be F, 3 will be E, fourth is D, and the fifth one is C. So minus 5 is a starting position, and we require the 4 character from the right hand side. So the answer is C, D, E, F. Next function is the U case or uppercase. So this will return just the opposite value of a L case. Means this will returns the string value in uppers letter. Now next function is a ltrim. So ltrim is a function which is used to reduce the spaces or other characters from the left hand side from a string. Let's take an example. Select ltrim. There are some spaces on the left hand side of a string, and the value is the rdbms mysql. So you will get the answers rdbms mysql before not preceding the characters in this string. And the next function is the rtrim. So this will remove the trailing spaces. So we can see select rtrim and the space in the rdbms mysql from both hand side. So we will get the answer only rdbms mysql. So the right hand side space will be removed from a string. And the next function is the trim function. So trim function is used for removing the leading and trailing spaces, or we can also the remove from the both hand side spaces by the trim function. So there are the three types of trim. First is the ltrim, that is used for remove the spaces from the left hand side. Second is rtrim, this is used for remove the trailing spaces. And third one is using a trim, we can remove the spaces from the both hand side, or we can also remove the spaces from the left hand side by the keyword of leading, and by the keyword of trailing we can remove the spaces from the right hand side. Now the next function is the instr. So instr function returns the starting value of 2 in a str. Let's take an example. Select in str corporate floor, and we are finding the position of OR in the corporate. So this will return the first occurrence position of OR in the corporate. So the position is 2 because OR is coming in the second position in corporate. This is the another example that is working on a column of a table. Next function is the length. This will returns the length of a string, and the starting value will be 1. Let's take an example. Select length candide. So CANDID starting from 1. So total character is 7. So the length of this string is 7. Another example that displaying the length of different string from an employee table. Next function is left. So we can extract the characters from a string from the left hand sides, and the syntax of this function is a left string comma length, how many characters we required from the left hand side. So just see an example. Select left, string is USS/23/67/09, and we are extracting only 3 characters from the left hand side. So the answer is USS. Next function is right. This is the opposite of left function. So this will extract the number of characters it required from the right hand side from a string. Let's take an example. Select right USS/23/67/09, and we are extracting a 2 character from the right hand side. So the answer of this is 09. And next function is the mid function. So we can extract a substring from a string by this function. So this will work similar to a substring. We can also write the select substring and the value is quadratically, that is starting value is a 5 and we require the number of character is 6. So the answer is Ratica, Quatra. So the position of R is 5 and from the R we require the 6 characters. So Ratica, these are the 6 characters from a string.